Hi there, and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Missy, and I am a stay-at-home mom and blogger over at thehomemadelife.com. And today I want to share with you a few tips and tricks on how I boost my workout and really just rock my runs. So here we go. Peppermint essential oil. If you guys want to have a better run, more efficient breathing, and more stamina, this is a great oil. I highly recommend that you put a couple drops in your mouth, the back of your neck, on your chest. What that's going to do is it's going to open up your airways so you can breathe more efficiently during your run. It's going to boost your energy and your stamina. And it's also going to, if it's in the summertime and it's a hot day, it's going to cool your body down. And I don't know about you, but I always run way better on cooler days than hot days. So just a fun little tip and trick that you can use and incorporate peppermint in your workout. If you have any areas that need support because you've been running so much, put a little peppermint on there, pre-workout and post-workout, and that's going to support those areas as well. Another little tip and trick, okay. Young Living Thieves lozenges. These are awesome because they have rosemary in them, they have eucalyptus in them, and again, these just really open up the airways. And for me, I've noticed when I breathe really efficiently when I run further and longer and feel greater. So just another little tip and trick, you can throw one of these in your mouth right before you go run. I often just throw it in and then jump and go run, so I'm sucking on it and running at the same time. Deep Relief, love this. This is a great oil pre and post workout. It's a great to put on your temples just to kind of perk you up and get you motivated to run. If you're anything like me, once you get out the door and you're running, you feel awesome. It's just that initial getting out the door and doing it, especially if you're feeling kind of tired. Let's say it's 3 o'clock and you're feeling more like a nap than a run. This is going to help perk your mind up and get you out the door, as well as peppermint. Peppermint would do the same too. Now, Cool Azul is a phenomenal oil pre and post workout to support any areas that just might be a little bit ouchy and need that additional support. They do have this in an oil as well as a gel. I really love the gel, which I believe is right over there, but I won't grab it. But the gel is phenomenal too, and it has a very it's much like icy hot and has a very cooling sensation, so I have found that to be tremendously helpful. Lastly, the Breathe Again roll-on. This is a really great way to just open everything up as well. So here are some great options for you to incorporate into your run. Again, I love to do about 3 to 5 drops of peppermint in a veggie capsule and down the hatch right before my run, and again, it just really gives me the energy I need, opens everything up, and you guys will notice a difference. Try it. I would love to hear your comments below after you've given this a shot and just get feedback, because it's done wonders for my runs and my workouts. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this information. Get to using those oils in your workouts. And if you haven't already, subscribe below, and we will see you in the next video. Alrighty friends, have a super awesome day.